What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Back with another review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We do product reviews from big box retail stores. Today we're looking at a pair of wireless headphones I picked up at Best Buy, the Sony WF-C700N. The N stands for noise canceling. I picked these up for $100. Just recently my AirPods Pro died and decided to look for an alternative pair of noise canceling earbuds. And that's when I came across the Sony WF-C700N. I was looking for an alternative pair of wireless noise canceling earbuds, and this is what I found. I really liked the price point, and me being an Apple iPhone user, an Apple MacBook user, an overall Apple product user, I have the Apple Watch, which should also pair with these headphones. I figured these Sony WF-C700N would be a good alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro because they have similar features. You'll see that they have 7.5 hours playtime, noise canceling first and foremost. They should be a good alternative because if you're familiar with Apple products, Sony electronics are in Apple products, and so I figured what would be a better alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro, and without having to pay the $250 premium for the AirPods Pro than the WF-C700N. Also, a couple of years ago I did a review on the Sony headphone 110, which I've got here on the left. They're just a cheap, inexpensive wired headset, and they work fantastic. I love them. They're comfortable, and actually the cushion does provide some noise isolating benefits, and they have a really great sound profile to them. So I expect the Sony WF-C700N, even though they are $150 less than the AirPods, I expect them to deliver decent audio quality. They're a name brand, and as we saw from the $110, $20 wired headphones, also by Sony, I expect these WF-C700N to be reliable a couple of years from now, again without having to pay that $250 premium for the AirPods Pro. This AirPods Pro model that I have here actually is, by the way, the first generation, the original AirPods Pro. I purchased them when they first came out. That was like 3 or 4 years ago almost. So for them to last that long is pretty impressive. But like I said, wanted to maybe find an alternative without paying that premium. And like I said, because iPhones have Sony electronics already built inside. Also, if you go on Apple's website, you'll notice they do advertise integration with Sony products like cameras, for example. So I figured the Sony WF-C700N would be, like I said, a good alternative and also a good replacement to the AirPods Pro, considering I've had the cheap $20 110ZN wired headphones by Sony, and they've been great. So today, just an unboxing actually, and a first impressions. We're going to get them out of the box, but tomorrow I'm going to post a video doing a comparison to the AirPods. We're going to test out the noise cancellation, because in this unboxing video, the reason that I want to do just the unboxing is actually to highlight some of the features. So you do get 360 reality audio, which should actually be comparable to the AirPods Pro Dolby Atmos. We'll test that out and find out tomorrow if that indeed is the case. It's a pretty cool effect. Spatial audio, I believe, is another feature we can see if 360 reality audio compares to. You get 7.5 hours playtime, which is comparable as well. IPX4 water resistance. I can't tell you how many times I've been caught in the rain with my AirPods Pro, and having that IPX4 is extremely important. So really happy to see that with the C700N. and most importantly, without having to pay that $250 premium. Although you can get this on less expensive earbuds, is noise canceling. But like I said, you do get that Sony brand, so should expect some level of competency with these. Also, one thing, the reason that we're doing the unboxing only in this video is because actually if we look around the box, something you'll notice is missing is ambient pass-through, which is something the Apple AirPods Pro heavily advertise. But if you go on Sony's website and look at the C700N, if you click on specifications, they do have ambient sound mode. So not only do you get noise canceling, but apparently on Sony's website, the WF-C700N also have an ambient sound mode, which is something that the AirPods Pro has. But like I said, on the box is not a feature. So a couple of things we need to test out is the 360 reality audio. Not really too worried about the 7.5 hour playtime or the IPX4 water resistant. I am more concerned with how well the noise canceling performs, though I do expect it to perform well, and most importantly, the ambient pass-through, which as you can see is a feature on the website but not listed on the box. By the way, this also works with Android, but I think if you are an owner of a brand new iPhone and don't want to have to pay that $250 premium, I think honestly the best alternative to the AirPods Pro will be what we have in our hand right here, the WF-C700N. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get the Sony WF-C700N out of the box, see what comes in the box. We'll compare them dimension-wise to the AirPods Pro. We'll compare the charging case dimension-wise to the AirPods Pro charging case, and see what else comes in the box. So, in the box, you get the charging case right on top. The earbuds should be directly inside. These are black. You can also get them in white and blue as well as purple. And one color I saw on Best Buy's website was sage, which is like a greenish color. It looks like you get a QR code to scan. Let's actually go ahead, scan that QR code and see just exactly what comes up. And when you scan the QR code, what it basically brings up is a health guide. You can select the language and also click on a printable PDF with a 150-page instruction booklet. This, I am sure, is in multiple voices, but it is a thoroughly comprehensive user guide, which is really good to see. Now, me having tested wireless earbuds in the past, what I can tell you is setting them up should be as simple as going to your settings, pairing them to Bluetooth. Longtime user of wireless headphones, so shouldn't have an issue getting that set up. You've got a USB-C charging cable in the box, though it is unfortunately USB to USB-C. What's really good to see is the charge case will charge USB-C, so if you have an iPhone charger or an iPad charger which are USB-C, you can integrate these easily into your workflow. Again, another good reason to have these as an alternative to the AirPods Pro because they charge with USB-C. And last but not least in the box is just some ear tips. You get a small and what look to be a large. The medium should be already installed on the earbuds themselves. So let's go ahead, take the charge case out of the wrapper. You can see it's a black charge case, really nice and discreet with the Sony logo on top. You can open it up. Ooh, we've got charge. You get an LED indicator light at the bottom in green. And then you pull the earbuds out themselves, clearly indicated right for the right earbud. And you can see that the medium ear tip is installed already. If I can zoom in here a little bit better and show you the size of that microphone. And also, what's really good to see, you get that microphone on both earbuds, the left and the right, and AirPod Pro replacement. So in the box you get the charging case, you get USB to USB Type-C, a couple of extra ear tips just in case the medium do not fit. Also, one thing before the comparison and sound test, which is in tomorrow's video, aside from what you get in the box, what you do not get in the box is, for some reason, any recommendation to download the Sony Headphones Connect app. If you actually go to the website sony.com and look up the C700N, if you download the Sony Headphones Connect app, you can change your music to fit your taste with EQ settings, which is really cool to see. So apparently you can change the EQ on these through the Sony Headphone Connect app, which we will do, and also use it to adjust ambient sound. So like I was saying in the beginning, on the box they advertise noise canceling but no ambient pass-through. But most importantly, I think, is they don't advertise the Sony Connect app either. And in that app you can adjust EQ as well as ambient sound, as well as probably some other things too. So definitely we'll have to check that out. But today we did just the unboxing and first impressions of the WF-C700N. And by impressions I mean we were able to see what came in the box, what does not come in the box, and also compare them to, at least the dimensions, the AirPods Pro, which unfortunately for me just recently died. Tomorrow though will be the audio test, the fit test as well. We need to test 360 reality audio and also noise canceling as well as ambient pass-through. And last but not least, like I said, if you go on the website, they do advertise the Sony Headphone Connect app. So we will download that and test out changing the EQ as well. My name is John. Stay tuned for our video tomorrow reviewing the sound and doing a fit test. This has been an unboxing of the WF-C700N. I picked these up at Best Buy. If you're looking for a good alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro without having to pay that premium of $250, the Sony WF-C700N I think is the way to go, because like I said at the beginning of the video, iPhones and Apple products use Sony electronics.